Once in a blue moon, something comes along that works so damn well that you don't need to fuss over appearances. It reminds us that above all else, we just want something useful. Jason Fried said, "You need to get the fundamentals right. Fun wears off. Cool wears off. Useful never wears off." When we're rolling down the highway of our lives, what is it we want people to see? A rebel? A trendsetter? A man of wealth and taste? There's a funny old saying from Mark Twain that goes, "Clothes make the man. Naked people have little or no influence in society." But sometimes, designers come along who are the rebels. They remind us that above all else, we just want something that can be used.
Camping, backpacking, hiking. Just being in the outdoors gives us a chance for adventure, and of course the opportunity to buy some really cool gear.
Here at Bare Minimum, we love innovation and we're changing the way you eat outdoors.
Camping has significantly evolved over the years. The sleeping bag has gone from big and bulky to small and light. The lantern has gone from heavy and dangerous to light and bright. The cook pot has gone from this to this. Cooking on the trail hasn't changed much until now. Introducing the Bare Bowl, a super lightweight collapsible cooking pot designed for hikers, backpackers, and preppers. It's made of a food-grade flame-resistant material. The deceptively small container can fit 32 ounces of water. The 4-inch base makes it easy to use with a variety of heating sources. We chose an aluminum base because of the heat resistance, durability, and weight.
So you're asking yourself, why do I need one of these? Well, let me tell you. It's about the size of your wallet and it weighs less than a cell phone. Hello, Mr. Bear? With 4 folds and 2 snaps, it's so simple to put together you can even do it during a bear attack.
Easy.
Barring any unfortunate bear attacks, you can take your Bare Bowl from flat to cook in no time. Well, at least as fast as it takes a bear to get coffee at a drive-thru. Simply reverse the process and you can take your Bare Bowl back to flat and ready to pack. Cleanup on the trail can be a real bear, but not with the Bare Bowl.
Simply open the Bare Bowl flat and wipe it clean. It takes less time and water to clean the Bare Bowl than any other bowl on the market.
Hi, I'm Corey, the inventor and founder of the Bare Bowl. We've got a great product and we're really excited to share it with you. We've done our testing and we've secured manufacturing, but to bring the Bare Bowl from prototype to production, we need your help. We need to purchase tooling and place a large production order so that we can bring the Bare Bowl to you at the very best price. Choose one of the perks below and help us meet our goals so that we can get the Bare Bowl out on the trail today.
Bare Bowl. Pack light, cook fast, clean easy.
Hey guys, it's Mike from Outdoor Element, and we love some carabiners. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes. They're that third hand that you can rely on, and they've been around for a while. They've evolved over the years. As the adventure type, we wanted to develop an everyday beaner that can help you out when things get crazy.
Oh man, it's crazy out here.
Introducing the Fire Beaner. Understanding that fire creation is crucial in times of emergency, we've introduced our EverSpark technology to the beaner. Sometimes all you need is a spark to totally change the situation. Designed to be titanium coated stainless steel, and at 1 ounce, this should be part of everyone's everyday carry. We integrated a blade for those ad hoc moments, paracord, fishing line, perhaps a seat belt. And of course a bottle opener for those moments of celebration. We've partnered up with SolidWorks with their entrepreneurial program to develop the Fire Beaner for an ergonomic design, for stress analysis, and for overall manufacturability. So go on, slap it on your keychain or put it on your pack, and always be prepared. We have our manufacturer set up, and our first set of prototypes have been approved, and now we're asking for your help to help launch our first production run to bring the Fire Beaner into your hands and to your adventure. And all the features of the Fire Beaner come in handy day in and day out. So get those grills and stoves lit, clean up those loose ends, and get the backyard ready. So please back this project. You'll thank yourself later.
Just because they're cool, they
Yeah.
probably reflect really, really well.
Yep.
I'm not going to throw them right next to each other because I don't want to blend them.
Oh, it's fine. Do whatever you want.
So now I'm gonna throw it in.
Nice.
Oh, they're definitely stuck.
Ooh. That is awesome. Okay. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's actually kind of sort of cool for them. It's a slight difference on a really big knife. Put it in this one.
Oh yeah!
Get that video?
Yeah.
Good. Try it again. Pull that, throw it again. Keep it up. Let's see it.
Okay.
Put it right through the middle of it.